Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show the inner setup for our NFT hydroponic system. As you can see, here is the reservoir for the fertilizer liquid, which is the AB mix, and you can see that I bury the reservoir, half of the reservoir into the ground, so that I can keep the temperature a little bit lower than the ambient temperature, and the water is almost 250 liter, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the recirculation pipe, which is used to oxygenate the water and to recirculate the water so that the fertilizer will be homogeneous. This is the simple filter, so that the particle could not be into the system. It will stuck here, and we have to clean it every once a while. Actually, this is not a complete system yet. Everything is almost everything is temporary. This is a temporary pipe. I put T-junction here so that if you want to expand the system after this, you can just add the pipe here. And then I just want to test whether the pressure is sufficient or not for the almost this is almost 1.4 meters from the ground. I have a doubt whether the pressure is enough or not, so this is quite a gamble. This is the quick action valve, or the stopper for the pipe. I use the 17 mm drill bit to dig a hole here, and then put some rubber grommet and the quick action valve, and then it connect to the 16 mm poly pipe, the soft poly pipe. And then to make sure that the pressure doesn't drop much, I start from the higher level, and then it goes straight back down to the first rack, and then continues until the end of the first set. And then for the second set, which is not completed yet, I already test the pressure. It is quite good, I think. The pressure is enough to put the water, to bring the water to the higher level of the rack. So I use the 4 mm plastic nipple to penetrate the pipe, the tubing, and then use the 4 mm tubing to deliver the water, which I think is enough. Actually, for the nutrient flow technique, you just need about 1 to 2 liters of water per minute, which is not very much. So I think this setup can meet the basic requirement of the NFT system. This is the third setup, which is also not completed yet. Maybe I'm waiting. Actually, I'm waiting for the end cap from our supplier, because at first I think I don't want to use the end cap here, but the backflow of water is quite you need to put something to block the water from backflow here. So I think the end cap is needed here, so I ordered another 48 pieces of end cap. Okay, I'll show you the rear setup for the system. This is the rear setup. I haven't connected the 16 mm pipe yet, but just to show you a little bit. As you can see, there is a stagnant water inside, which means that it's not just a flow, but actually it's about 15 mm of water here. This actually help if the pump is not working, then there should be ample time for you to do the repair, and then the plant is not dying due to the lack of water. This is a elbow connection, 16 mm. I use the elbow because it is a lot easier than just straight pipe. And then same thing here, rubber grommet, 16 mm, and then you have to drill 17 mm hole, which perfectly suit the rubber grommet. So next thing is we're going to start the pump. I'll start the pump. This is a temporary setup only. So you can see the water is flowing there. It's flowing. It doesn't come through to the filter yet. It's just recirculating here because of the quick action valve that I'm not open yet. So let's open it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. You can see the pressure is quite good. The flow is quite good. I think it's sufficient enough for the NFT system. The reason that I need the end cap here is because of the backflow here. You can see the water dripping there, so it needs to be stopped. Put something to block here so that no waste of fertilized water happen here. But in general, the system is working. I'll try to open the second quick action valve here, just to show you that the pressure is, you see the pressure is good. So I think it's okay. Not so much pressure drop here, but the backflow is quite, you see, it's quite disturbing actually. So let's go to the back. See, this is the drain out water. Actually, after this I'm going to make a pipe here up to here, and then recirculate the water back to the pump there. So this is my initial setup. I'll come back to you to show the result of this once everything is complete. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.